Hi everyone, and welcome to Easy Tutorial Vids. In this video, we'll link context parameters to the MIDI out, which I explained how to use and link to your keyboard's knobs and faders in a previous video. The pitch wheel is already linked to this knob, which is universal throughout FL Studio. So we'll link the modulation wheel and the other knobs and faders. This is done through what's called continuous controllers, or CC for short. CCs are standardized through numbers. For example, CC11 is mostly used for expression in brass libraries. Of course, your loaded libraries has to support a CC assignment for you to use, unless you're advanced enough to dive into Kontakt and make custom assignments. For now, we'll just stick to modulation. The libraries that I've loaded for this example support modulation in the form of vibrato. Let's link it to our Kontakt Mod Wheel. Now, since the modulation wheel already has a CC number, which is CC1, just configure it in the MIDI out. On the MIDI out, hit the gear icon. Make sure it's set to CC and type the number here. You could also give the knob a name to stay organized. This way, when creating an automation clip, it's already correctly named. More on automation clips in the future. You can always reconfigure this by right-clicking and configure. And also delete the configuration by hitting reset, then accept. Let's hear the effect of the modulation wheel in this loaded library. To assign one of Kontakt's parameters of your choice, go to the Automation tab and select the MIDI Automation subtab. Now drag a CC number of your choice onto the parameters you want to link. You can unlink it by right-clicking and selecting Remove MIDI Automation. Now on the MIDI out, configure one of the knobs and tap that same CC number. When doing this, you can choose to always stick to the CC number standards by only assigning numbers to parameters that are preserved for a specific function. It's even possible to drag a single CC number on multiple parameters on one library. Or even different loaded instrument libraries. When adding more MIDI outs for the other instruments like we did in the previous video, make sure the port and channel numbers are set properly, and assign its knobs to CC numbers according to that instrument. And within Kontakt, make sure that the MIDI channel is set right. If not, you can manually change it. And of course, rename the MIDI outs to stay organized. Okay, so that's it. But at this point, all the instrument channels are routed to one output. Before you can route each instrument in Kontakt separately, you'll have to change the default configuration, which I've already done. And in the next video, I'll show you how to do just that.